Do you know when you're buying a quality Italian wine? Well, if not, this video's for you.
Stick around because today we're going over a beginner's Italian wine guide for quality classifications.
Coming up. So the different quality classifications for Italian wines are an easy way to make sure that you're buying a good Italian wine. So, in order to learn more about those, we're going to go over what the different quality classifications are. We'll talk about the different quality classifications, and last we'll talk about our recommendations for using the different classifications.
So let's get into it.
So what exactly are Italian wine quality classifications?
So if you've ever seen a bottle of wine with a DOC or a DOCG label, it's an indicator of a good quality Italian wine. These labels are Italian government regulated quality controls that are specific to a geographic area.
And these quality classifications are used to distinguish between a quality wine and a less desirable wine. For example, you don't want to go out and buy a really expensive wine just to take it home and find out that it's poorly made.
So these rules differ from region to region in Italy. It defines the geographic area of the wine grown in Italy because certain locations will produce different tasting wines.
And these classifications operate under the assumption that more regulation create higher quality, better tasting wines. Now these different ratings can get pretty complex and confusing, but we tried to make them as simple as possible.
Alright, so let's start with the classification system. So first we have the low tier, or VDT. This means Vino di Tavola, or table wines. So this is the opposite of quality wines.
Now with this classification of wine, grapes can be used from all over Italy or even outside of Italy within these wines. There's less government regulation, lower quality expectations, and rarely are these wines good enough to be sold outside of Italy. And then for the medium tier classification, we have IGT, or Indicazione Geografica Tipica.
IGT wines are less regulated Italian wines as compared to DOC and DOCG, and not all regions in Italy have an IGT classification.
So with the IGT classification, winemakers can get grapes from larger wine regions as compared to the DOC and DOCG classifications. Also, there are less stringent quality standards, and within this group, the IGT group, you can actually find some good quality wines, but they're more non-traditional.
But wait! If you like what you see, consider subscribing. We post weekly videos on wine tips and tricks for any level of wino to enjoy.
And then for the second tier, or second best wines within Italy, we have the DOC classification, or Denominazione di Origine Controllata.
This classification includes regulation on certain types of geographic areas in Italy that the grapes can come from, and certain varietals that are allowed to be used in the certain wines.
It also has regulations on the certain percentages of varietals allowed in wines, as well as alcohol percentage. Additionally,
yields of grapes are measured and monitored, and there are certain regulations on aging techniques.
So with the DOC level, there's a lot more regulation that goes on. And then for the top tier, or the highest quality wine classification in Italy, we have the DOCG classification. And that stands for Denominazione di Origine Controllata e Garantita. Don't make me say it again.
The DOCG regulations is the highest quality level, and it's considered by some to be the best wines produced in Italy.
So with the DOCG classification come a lot more regulations as compared to the DOC classification. So for example, with yields, there are even smaller yields of grapes allowed within the DOCG classification as compared to the DOC. Additionally, there are smaller geographic areas allowed where grapes can be taken from in order to create wine. The biggest difference between the DOC and DOCG classification is that there is a tasting panel that approves the quality of wines given the status of DOCG. So they're guaranteed to be a quality wine. So what exactly do we do with this information on the Italian classification system?
So if you come across a wine bottle with a DOC or a DOCG label, you can feel assured that you have a quality bottle of wine. For us, we only like to buy Italian wine with these labels on them.
So for example, in last week's video, if you haven't checked it out yet, check it out up above. I found a Moscato DSD with a DOCG rating on it, so I was for sure gonna buy it.
However, remember that everyone's taste and palates are different, so you may not fall in love with a bottle of wine that's labeled DOC or DOCG, so don't be disappointed if that happens to you.
So for us, what we like to do is we like to use those quality classifications as guides when buying a bottle of wine. Kind of like the wine points. You don't want to base your decision solely off points alone. Same goes with quality classifications. You don't want to buy a bottle of wine just because it has a certain quality. Now, all of this can get really confusing, but it's really important to understanding Italian wines. So remember, you can always go back and re-watch sections of this video if you may have questions on them.
So that's it. That's all you need to know about the Beginner Italian Wine Guide's classification system. Did we miss anything? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time we upload new content. We'll see you in our next video. Cheers.